just out of the closet. I have just come out to everybody. Not even 1.5 weeks ago. I told my parents, well, my dad and stepmom, on my stepmom's birthday. They took it well, I thought, but then, after about a week, it began to change. My dad told me I was doing something dangerous, and told me I was going to get infected with AIDS. Well, since my stepbrother is the one having all the sex with the girls that have had it with every boy at school, I figured he would get that talk, not me. But I also got the psychiatrist talk. My father wants to make me see one, to change me. That won't happen. I went through therapy on my own coming out, and I have made my decision. My friends were all okay with it, except one of them. The one was a girlfriend of mine, who doesn't accept me. She just ignores it and pretends it isn't there. But I love my friend, my best friend. I love him more than anything in the world. He means everything to me. When I told him I was gay, it didn't even faze him. So I confessed my feelings for him. But now, he doesn't talk to me as much, or hang out with me, and we have grown distant. And now my friends are starting to think more and more about it, and are starting to reject me. I have been gay for a very long time, it is just that no one ever knew it. And now people act as if I am a completely different person. I am no longer Balin, that's me, I am some weirdo faggot who is probably raping little boys and trying on my sister's clothes, imagine. Okay, I like boys, so why would I want to be a girl? And I like boys, so why would I want to date a boy who acts like a girl? Then I could just date a girl. No. I don't wear tights and high heels. I wouldn't even think of it. But now people automatically assume that I do or will. If you are reading this, please be more accepting of gay people. They are probably more normal than you, and I guarantee you know someone who is, you just don't know they are. But that's okay, it doesn't mean they're a different person. And if you are a parent, don't try to change your child. Leave them alone. If they want to be straight they will, but if you try to force them, they'll hate you. Oh, and don't force them to go to church, that's what made me hate my father. You are who you are, and you don't choose to be that way. Make sense? Well, the same applies to gay people. Gay isn't a lifestyle or big change. It is a characteristic. Just like the fact that you may have big ears. If you are not gay, you will never fully understand it. So just accept it, knowing that you won't be able to understand it, but you can learn from it.